Okay.
Yeah, connection problem. Okay, resume the lesson again. Okay, so you can complete the second paragraph of the article using the words in the box, right? So আমরা 2 নাম্বার দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে এই বক্সে দেয়া যে ওয়ার্ড গুলো এগুলো দিয়ে আমাদের সেকেন্ড প্যারাগ্রাফ মানে আর্টিকেলের যে দ্বিতীয় প্যারাগ্রাফটা এখান থেকে শুরু হয়ে লয়ার্স থেকে শুরু হয়ে these areas এসে শেষ হচ্ছে। এখানে 13টা আছে fill in the gaps। তো আমরা এখান থেকে শব্দগুলো নিব। আমরা প্রথম লাইনটা পড়ি। Lawyers, law students and counsel increasingly recognize the importance of having a global what? Global dash on labor and employment law. Global perspective, right? Okay, so next question. Corporate lawyers frequently have to deal with a variety of labor and employment problems internationally in structuring corporate debts. Corporate what?
Corporate.
Corporate benefits, dismissal, drafting, facility, pension, raise, reductions, severance, terminating, transactions, unions, workforce. Which may be the right answer? Corporate transactions. Corporate transactions. Okay. So they are expected to have a national and an international knowledge of requirements affecting practical issues such as establishing a dash, hiring a dash employment contracts. Okay. Dash the employment of or replacing employees, providing wages and dash, dealing with dash, carrying out workforce, dash, selling the business and paying dash through redundancy or dash schemes. In addition, issues such as discrimination on grounds of gender, dash or disability may arise in advertising, recruitment and dash processes. Okay. So আমাদের 3 নম্বরে কি হবে? Establishing a what? Facility, right? Establishing a facility. And then question number 4. Hiring a dash. Hiring a workforce maybe, right? Hiring a workforce. Okay. Then question number 5, dash employment contracts. Drafting, probably. Employment contracts, right? Question number 6, dash the employment or of replacing employees. Probably it's relating to employment or employees, that means terminating it. Most probably terminating. Question number 7, providing wages and dash. Wages and what? Pensions. Wages and benefits. Wages and benefits. Then 8, dealing with dash, carrying out workforce dash. Dealing with unions, severance or raise, dismissal, dealing with unions. 9, carrying out workforce severance or reduction. Workforce reductions, carrying out workforce reductions.
Sir,
Yes.
are the answers given at the end of the questions?
Pardon? Say again.
I'm sir, want to know, are the answers given at the end of the questions?
In this book,
Yes, sir.
yes. Answers have been provided at the end of this book. So first of all, you will practice and then you can check your answers.
Okay, sir. It is the end of the book, sir, or every lesson by lesson is given?
Pardon? Say again.
So it's given after the end of the lesson or end of the book?
Oh, it has already been given in this book. At the end of the book, there is an answer section. You'll find the answers there.
Okay.
Okay, so don't worry about the answers. And for writing section, there is no answer, so I will provide some sample answer for you. Okay. So you need to understand the meaning of the sentence, okay, and the demand of the gap, so that you can match the right word, okay, and put it into the gap. Okay. So this way, so we're gonna go through the next section, reading section 2. So what is the difference between an act and a convention? So there are similar questions, I think. Okay. So you need to spend time, you think over on the question, read the article, okay? And then you will be able to answer. For example, match these expressions with their highlighted synonyms in the extracts. Okay. So you need to match the highlighted synonym, okay, with these expressions like 1 to 12, or from 1 to 12 of these conditions, these, okay. Here you can see the highlighted word, refrain from, thereof, notwithstanding, okay, provision, such, authorize. You need to match the synonym already given here, okay. I think you can do this. Read these extracts from other conventions and choose the best options. Okay, you need to just choose